Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your understanding with edX step by step clearly. Visit the edX website at edX.org. Create an account if you don't have one already. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. Fill in your details to register. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Once logged in, explore the wide range of courses available. Use the search bar to find specific subjects that interest you. Filter your search results by subject, level, and institution. Select a course that catches your attention. Read the course description carefully to understand its content and requirements. Check the start dates and duration of the course. Look at the course format to see if it suits your learning style. Enroll in the course by clicking the Enroll button. Familiarize yourself with the course layout once you gain access. Take note of important dates and deadlines displayed on the course dashboard. Go through the introductory materials provided in the course. Engage with the video lectures, taking notes as you go along. Complete the reading assignments to reinforce your understanding. Participate in discussion forums to ask questions and share insights. Work on quizzes and assessments to test your knowledge. Reach out to your peers or instructors if you need clarification on certain topics. Set a consistent study schedule to stay on track. Utilize additional resources suggested in the course for further understanding. Review feedback on your assignments to identify areas for improvement. Complete all required components to earn a certificate of completion. Reflect on your learning experience and how you can apply it in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.